Well, what was your experience with working with multi-man services?
It was great. I was up on the ladder cleaning out the gutters and realized that that's not something that a 73-year-old should be doing on a regular basis. I said enough of this, and so we called Eddie and came out, and 15 minutes and it's clean, and it's cleaned up afterwards. And we did not have easy ones. We had a stuffed up downspout, and it took a little extra squirting from the top and the bottom, and they're clean. We also have some really cool inserts in our downspouts that are, I think, the slickest thing for gutters, that lets the water down but not the leaves, and even if it gets filled up with leaves again, they'll be done and out of there. Did an excellent job. Definitely responsible, respectful, efficient, great worker.
Thank you.
Get him. He's worth it.